headed to Burt Brothers Motorsports campus. I think that's what it's called, for some roll racing. First time getting the C6 Z06 out there for the races, so pretty excited to see what it stacks up against, what it can do. We're almost to the track, so we'll see you guys there. Great run. My rears I did set to 15 psi, but I still spun like crazy, so I had to let off, and he missed third, so that wasn't it wasn't a good run for either of us. But either way, it was a close race, good race. Now I'm gonna hop in the single lane and just kind of see what pulls up next to me. It could be anything. There's a lot of really fast cars here, so hopefully I line up with something good. Next race is this N3 competition. I imagine he's got a downpipe intake tune. He's making 760 to the wheel, he said, so this should be a good run. For some reason I got lined up with that Mustang. I don't know if that Evo cutted the line or whatever. I'm gonna hop in the single lane and see what I line up with next. Alright, we're lined up with the Beamer now. I am struggling to get traction, you guys. It's kind of scary. Hopefully I don't spin too bad. Like I said, he's making 760. I'm at 850. So if I don't spin too bad, should get him. But man, I spin so bad. I think I would have better luck taking off at 50, but here they only do 40 rolls just because the track isn't too long. We barely have enough time to slow down, so I'm gonna try easing into the gas a little bit and hopefully I don't spin. Next race is it's boosted Mustang. Apparently he's making around 650, so should be a good run. Next up is the C6 Z06. time I come out here, I gotta get some new tires or something. These R888s are not hooking at all. Run. That's the homie's ZL1. He's making about 950 to the wheel, so I definitely didn't expect to win that one. Plus he's a 10-speed, so shifts a lot faster than I can. But yeah, good run. Well guys, thanks for watching as always. Fun to get the Z06 out there for the first time. I did not realize how bad I would spin at 40 miles an hour. The story would be a lot different if I was taking off from 60, because I get good traction off of 60. But off a 40 roll, this thing just has too much torque. The RPMs are too high, and I just go straight into spinning, which kind of sucks because then it cuts power. And even with traction off, I would probably just spin worse. Hopefully next time I go out there, I'm on a new tire. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel for more POV drives. And this and my CTSV, more racing content coming soon. It's finally warmed up here in Utah, so hopefully gonna be hitting those races monthly. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.